Hello traders, I hope guys you made a good profit today. Today was amazing volatility, and as a trader we need that volatility to bank amazing profit. So we had amazing analysis, amazing beautiful moves today, and most of my traders bank amazing profit, more than 100 pips. Most of the traders. Let me share with you guys how I analyze and how I help my traders to bank those amazing pips and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. So if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD 4-hour chart, and yesterday we had such an amazing trade, bank beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free. Video link is given in the video description. So we were expecting at this level from long, as you can see here, price previously respected. So we're expecting here at this time a counter long trade here. Once the price developed inside candle patterns, we were long from here, and explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So technically, if you look at this, is the high time frame pullback. We have this is impulsive trade, and this is correction, and this is a long correction. You can see here technically, if you look at this, would be considered as a bull flag pattern. So we had amazing trades long from here, and keep taking long trade here. As soon as the price hit this support resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit just before New York session closed. Let me share with you guys how I analyze this one in an intraday and help my traders to end with the entries and exit. If you look at here Euro USD, and if you look at this, this is the analysis I did yesterday. Once we have this big move, target hit, bank beautiful pips. As you can see, once the price develop inside candle pattern with this candle, and if you look at here, price develop low and high, and explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, then probably we're going to take a long trade here. And if you look at here, this is look like inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what I explained to my trader. We have this beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA in 4-hour, as you can see in the previous high. That's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for another pullback. As you can see here, I did another analysis, London morning session, explained to my trader, as long as the price stay above this level, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, price one full pullback, nicely hit to the fib level, bank some profit, another pullback. This was the high probability trade because we have a double bottom at the support level, and announced through live audio commentary, pullback, another pullback, bank another few more PPs on Euro USD. At the New York session, as you can see, explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, we have prices broken this structure, so just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, and another pullback, another two more pullback. As soon as the price hit this resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, enjoy profit. We had an amazing trade, as you can see here on Euro USD. We also had it yesterday and today. Pound dollar, interesting trade. Pound dollar, if you look at here, we were expecting the price might gonna break the structure. As you can see here, this is the manipulation. You can see here such a nice short trade here. But we really enjoy this breakout as well, because as I said to you, our intraday, as long as a valid technical entry, we really enjoy. It doesn't care whether it goes up and down. We had this short trade, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we had long trade here. Now we can see here, price 1, 2, 3, 4 times tried to break this level, could not break it, which is another 132,000 level. So let's see here tomorrow. We're expecting this breakout, and let me share with you guys how I bank beautiful pips in pound dollar. Right, so if you look at the pound dollar, and this is the analysis I did this London morning session at this level. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, pretty straightforward. I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this recent high or this low, we're going to take a short trade here. As you can see here, price broken this support level, momentum was bearish. As soon as the price broke and hit this target, I explained to my trader, price was breaking this previous low in 4-hour. So I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. So we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. As long as the momentum was bearish, As soon as the price hit to the profit target, price reverse, and that's what I explained to my trader. Guys, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful trade short, and as you can see here, as soon as the profit target hit, price nicely reverse. That's why we use the fib channels, guys. So explain to my trader, now we should wait for the market, let the pattern develop. That's going to give us a clear picture. But as soon as the price came back above the previous high, explain to my trader, more likely is going to be long trade here. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to, because we have this false breakout, so technically after this breakout, so we're expecting a pullback. That's what exactly we were looking into it. But I explained to my trader, let's wait for the market. And as you can see here, this is the breakout. Price continuously refused to break the support. We have this breakout long here. Some of the traders already taken long here with a very tight stop loss. So as soon as the price broken, I explained to my traders, guys, just keep taking a pullback. I instantly updated another analysis, explained to my trader, look for another pullback if the price is going to touch this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this trend support level, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the, at the inside the, which is 20 EMA on 4 hour, explained to my trader, and the profit target at the fib channel in intraday. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So just before London closed, we had an amazing trade on pound dollar, bank beautiful pips, as you can see here, both short and long. All right, so let's talk about the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting trade this morning. As you know, we were short from here. All of my previous analysis, link is given in the video description. We were short from here, bank amazing profit. Today we were short too, as explained to my trader. If the price is going to keep respecting this level, we're going to keep taking a short trade here. So we had such a nice short trade here after the 3 p.m. news release, and we had also had a counter long trade here. That's what exactly we do. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today on dollar CAD. So if you look at here, this is the analysis I did London morning session. We had this breakout, and after the breakout, I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break, then we will consider this one false breakout and then possibility of counter, otherwise short. So we have this one short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain to my trader, bank some profit, because the price is already too far. Explain to my trader, as soon as the price can hit to the previous low level, just keep taking a profit and then look for another one. As you can see here, price nicely came back, and explain to my trader, we're only going to take a long if the price break and retest, otherwise short. We have another short here, another short here. As soon as the price hit just before the news, I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for the market. And after the news, you can see here, this is the news reaction, and then I explained to my trader again. That's what exactly we train people with the live, explain them price action in more detail. As you can see here, in live analysis, I explained to my trader everything, and then even when I updated my analysis, once the target profit hit, I explained to my trader, look here, so the price broken this recent high and we need a retest, which is one is performed. Second one, let's see if the price is going to perform at this level, then we're going to take another long here. So we had another long trade here as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see here. So that's what you explain with the live market. That's the most important thing, is that's why you're going to develop your trading skill when you see it live in action, guys. That's what exactly my main objective, to train people, to coach them, guide them with the live market. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. We had amazing trade, guys, today. Amazing. Look at this euro Aussie dollar. We were long. Let me share with you the Aussie dollar analysis. Okay, so we were long from here as soon as the price developed a false breakout. If you look at here, even today, let me share with you, we are long from yesterday. So this is the trade breakout, false breakout in intraday. Let me make it here. Intraday at this level, I explained to my trader, we have this breakout, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, explain to my trader, look for another pullback. We're only going to take a short if the price break and retest. Long, another beautiful. Today at the New York session, a sideways market developed, another breakout. Bingo. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level and 100 EMA and 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see, guys, we had amazing trades today, amazing, all of them. If you pick up any trade, we just close some of the dollar Swiss franc, you can see here, this is the breakout. Before that, we had another beautiful short trade here. We were short from here. Let me share with you guys, then you can understand what exactly I'm talking about. Once the price developed 3 fractal, you can see here sort of invert, it's sort of head and shoulder pattern, and price broken this level. Explain to my trader, look for pullback short trade here, just keep taking a short. What happened here? Let me share with you. This is the in intraday how we analyze the market. As you can see here, once the price broken this level, explain to my trader, you can see here through live analysis, look for pullback. We have one pullback, second pullback, and not only this one, I said to you guys, if you miss this one, you can have another scaling trade. This one breakout, beautiful short trade. So you can see, guys, we had an amazing day today. Most of the traders, even you can see 146, one of the traders bank beautiful pips. You can see here he just closed the New York session trade, 26 pips. If I click on this one, you can see here this is the entry. He made it based on the analysis, and he made it exit exactly when I said it's time to bank some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time, and that's the interesting part of it. And banking profit in real time, that's the amazing part of it. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop this trading skill, once you show me this consistency making a pips, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train in real time with a live market through live intraday analysis, and how I help my traders to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed, guys. Until next time, all the best.